Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you the Dark Decora outfit inspo in Dress to Impress. So in this tutorial, we're diving into the Dark Decora aesthetics where layers, accessories, and moody vibes combine to create the ultimate Goth Kawaii Queen look. So this is the look that I'm creating for the Dark Decora outfit. Let's create it from scratch. Let's start with the hair. So for the hair, first I'm going to put on this hair in here and change the color to all black. And then I'm going to go to the curly category and put on this hair, but only the bangs, and color it again to blacks. And lastly, I'm going to put on this hair with the same color, black. Okay, so now let's start with the look. I'm going to go to this dressing room, the closet, and put on some items from here. The first one is this jacket here, and I'm going to just color it black. And I'm going to put on also this jacket. For the first color is black. The second one is this fuchsia or pink color. Next one is white. And this fuchsia color again. And I'm going to put on this bag and double it into crossbody. And here I'm going to choose the first color using this pattern. And the third color using this. Okay. Okay, so this is the color for the bag, and I'm going to use this set from the Easter Bunny and double it into number 2 and change the color with this two patterns, this one and this one. Okay, so now you're done with this one, and let's put on the pants. First, I'm going to go to the men's section and put on this mesh top. And for the bottom, let's go back to the closet. So for the pants, I'm also using the same code item, this one, and change it into this pattern. Next, I'm going to put on the stocking in here and change the color into this black and white stripe. Now I'm going to put on the shoe is this boots in here and change the color into pink and black. First color is black and the second one is this color. Here I'm going to just go to find some accessory. Let's add here the glasses. This one I'm going to go first color. First color is shell like this, and also the third color. I'm going to put on this ribbon and change the color with this checker pattern. And then I'm going to add this leg warmer from a code item. This one, and change the color using this checker color. Next, I'm going to just put on this ankle boots. This one, and change it using these patterns. Okay, so this is the final look. It's time to bring your inner or out icon to the runway. Because why choose between adorable and edgy when you can have both? So like if you love mixing cute with creepy, subscribe and click on thanks for more fashion inspo, DTI guides and outfit hacks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye!